What if I told you Apple's next big flagship might completely redefine what Pro really means? The iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't even out yet, but trust me, it's already breaking the internet. And not because of what it can do, but because of how it might feel in your hand. According to fresh leaks from trusted tipster Instant Digital, this could be the heaviest iPhone ever made, crossing the 240-gram mark. Apple's next top-tier iPhone might literally weigh more than anything they've released before. But here's the twist. That extra weight might be the biggest clue that Apple is hiding something powerful underneath. This isn't just another yearly refresh. This is shaping up to be a complete re-engineering of the iPhone experience. From the design to the internals, Apple looks ready to push every limit, and they're doing it with unapologetic confidence. More weight? That usually means more hardware. And more hardware means bigger battery or something entirely new. A new report from Instant Digital's Weibo post, backed by sources at Apple Insider and 9to5Mac, reveals that the iPhone 18 Pro Max could surpass both the 14 Pro Max and the 17 Pro Max in size and mass. The current 17 Pro Max sits around 233G, but the next-gen model could add another 10G without hesitation. And no, it's not for aesthetics. Apple is reportedly packing in new technologies that might finally justify every single extra gram. By the way, how heavy is too heavy for you? Drop your preferred weight in the comments below. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks, link in the description. Now let's talk internals. Inside this thing, Apple is rumored to be introducing a next-generation under-display Face ID system, a reworked camera module, and even a steel-encased battery, something no iPhone has ever had before. These upgrades are expected to make the phone not just more advanced, but more durable and future-ready. This new structure could make the device slightly thicker, around 9mm, compared to the current 8.8mm. Small difference on paper, but if you're an Apple fan, you know that tiny increase can make the device feel more solid, more premium, and built like a tank. Visually, Apple might also be fixing one of the biggest complaints about the iPhone 17 Pro lineup, that weird dual-tone contrast on the back. The iPhone 18 Pro Max could bring a cleaner, unified finish where the aluminum frame and reinforced glass match perfectly, giving the phone a sleeker, more luxurious look. But wait, this story gets even bigger. Apple's entire launch strategy is reportedly being reshaped. According to new information, the iPhone 18 Pro and 18 Pro Max are expected to launch in September 2026, alongside Apple's first foldable iPhone. Meanwhile, the standard iPhone 18 and the iPhone 18e could drop later, early 2027. This staggered rollout could be Apple's way of giving the Pro models more spotlight and a longer exclusivity window. And remember the rumored iPhone Air 2? Yeah, that one might be delayed indefinitely to clear the stage for Apple's next wave of experimental products. If these leaks are accurate, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could become the symbol of Apple's next design era, one that doesn't chase thin and light anymore, but goes all in on strong, solid, elite. The extra weight might just be Apple saying, "This isn't a phone. This is a powerhouse." So what do you think? Will you buy the iPhone 18 Pro Max if it comes with this bold new design? Drop your thoughts down below. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.